Okay. We're gonna let that breathe for a second, Corey. Just gonna let that.
Hey, man, hey, this. Whew, this is
So let me guess, y'all ride around y'all ride by trucks too, huh? Y'all be on the side of them, behind them, in front of them.
no, sir, not no more.
My dad
Not
was a
after
truck
that.
driver.
He said definitely not to that rant.
Not after that ran right there. I'll never try to go to a trucker again.
My
I'll
dad
be
was a truck
50
driver.
feet,
I
Mr.
knew all
Sir.
that.
If you acting like that behind the wheel, I am staying away from you. Because I
Yeah,
know that only mean one thing when you get close to me, buddy. Yeah,
you
check the
better hope
flip.
your shit made of metal.
Damn.
You said your dad was DC.
I was a truck driver, but shit. Wow. They would need witness protection after this one.
What the nigga name, bro? What's the agent name, bro? Agent Jones?
If I need you.
Yeah. Told you gonna pull up. I knew it. Damn, man.
Boom, man. That's all right. Parenting
There's a
101. Teach your kids how to drive in life and on the road. That's metaphorically
Pretty much.
speaking.
I like that metaphor. I like how you did that.
I had to clean it up.